In this video, we have been given that ABCD is a rectangle and area of ABP is 9, area of BCQ is 5, area of PDQ is 4. Then we have to find area of PBQ. So ABCD, it is a rectangle. That means these angles, they will be 90 degrees. And now suppose AB is A and BC is B, and now we have area of ABP is 9 and area of ABP, it will be 1/2 times base is AB times height is AP. It is 9 and it is 1/2 times AB is A times AP. It is 9. So AP, it will be 18 over A. AP, it is 18 over A. And we have area of BCQ is 5 and area of BCQ, it will be 1/2 times base is BC times height is CQ. It is 5. And it is 1/2 times BC is B times CQ. It is 5. So from here we can get CQ is 10 over B. CQ, it is 10 over B. And now we know that ABCD, it is a rectangle. That means AD, it will be equal to BC, and AD, it is AP plus PD, it is equal to BC, and AP is 18 over A plus PD, it is equal to BC is B. So PD, it will be B minus 18 over A. And also CD, it will be equal to AB, and CD, it is CQ plus DQ, it is equal to AB, and CQ is 10 over B plus DQ, it is equal to AB is A. So from here we can get DQ is A minus 10 over B. So we get DQ is A minus 10 over B, and PD, it is B minus 18 over A. And Now, in triangle PDQ, we have area of PDQ is 4 and it will be 1/2 times base is DQ times height is PD. It is 4 and it is 1/2 times DQ. It is A minus 10/B times PD. It is B minus 18/A. It is equal to 4 and it is 1/2 times AB minus 10/B times AB minus 18/A is equal to 4. And if we cross multiply, then AB minus 10 times AB minus 18, it will be 4 times 2 times B times A, and AB minus 10 times AB minus 18, it is 8 times AB. And now suppose AB is X, then AB, it is X minus 10 times AB is X minus 18, it is 8 times AB is X, and X times X, it will be X square, and X times minus 18, it will be minus 18X, and minus 10 times X, it will be minus 10X, and minus 10 times minus 18, it will be plus 180, it is 8X, and it is X square minus 28X plus 180 and minus 8X is equal to 0, and it is X square minus 36X plus 180 is equal to 0, and it is X square and minus 36X, it is minus 30X minus 6X plus 180, it is 0, and it is X times X minus 30 minus 6 times X minus 30 is equal to 0, and it is X minus 6 times X minus 30 is equal to 0. So either X minus 6, it can be 0, that means X, it will be 6, and either X minus 30, it can be 0, so X is equal to 30, and we have X is AB, so X, it is AB, that is 6, and X, it is AB, that is 30, so we get AB is 6 and 30, and now we have area of ABCD. It will be AB times BC, and AB is A times BC is B, and AB is 6 and 30. That means area of ABCD, it is 6 and 30, and we have area of ABP is 9. So area of ABCD, it should be greater than 9. So it cannot be equal to 6. That means area of ABCD, it is 30. And now area of PBQ, it will be area of ABCD minus area of ABP minus area of BCQ minus area of PDQ, and it is 30 minus 9 minus 5 minus 4, and it is 30 minus 18, that will be 12. So it is 12.